The mighty Warriors, and they left the country on Monday ahead of their 2026 Women's Africa Cup of Nations. First leg qualifier against Angola in Luanda on Thursday. The mighty Warriors are bidding to return to the continental finals a decade after their last appearance in Cameroon back in 2016. Black Rhinos midfielder Christabel Katona is amongst the experienced players in the squad and is looking to be influential against Angola.
Mighty Warriors left for Angola on Monday morning in high spirits after almost 2 weeks in camp. The team faces a tricky test in Luanda in the first leg of their back-to-back WAFCON qualifiers. The travelling squad is littered with rising talent and stability from experienced players as they aim for a crucial result away from home. Midfielder Christabel Katona is confident ahead of the tie, drawing inspiration from previous milestones for the Mighty Warriors.
Chandikutarisira chokutanga nechekuti ti-win se-team. Qualify kuenda mberi because qualify tikaenda mberi first time yangu kuti notamba AFCON. Then secondly kuti tiwano mukana kunotambira kunze kwenyika. Mukana uyo wakakosha kufanira kuti obatisisa nemaoko maviri because ndokwekutanga. Saka taqualify taenda tichaita make sure kuti chipo changu ndachishandisa zvakanaka.
Locally based players form the core of the squad, with international stars joining them in Angola. Team chemistry could be the biggest asset as they push for a historic WAFCON finals qualification.
Ndoti inenge iri history because varipo vamwe vakaenda kuBrazil vamwe vakaenda of which now to release ma senior players varipo vari less than vangu vamboripo. So kwatiri inenge itori achievement kutaenda kunotamba AFCON. Ingati nini ngatibatanei toita chinhu one tikafaita results anobuda. Tinovimbisa kuti tichanoisa maximum effort, tichanowina. Effort yamuri kuisa tichai-return in return.
The first leg will be played on Thursday before the teams meet again 6 days later at the Lucas Moripe Stadium in South Africa. The Mighty Warriors know the challenge ahead but are ready to rise to the occasion, led by standout talents such as Katona, Ruimbo Mcherera, Alice Moyo and Immaculate Msipa amongst others. Reporting for ZTN Prime, I am Tawanda Muntali.
Konapo, ipapo.